The first paragraph in the passage has a lot of jargon, such as the Clovis Points migration model and paleoarchaeologists, and it even mentions a walrus hip. But don't get distracted by these terms. This paragraph merely introduces the Clovis Points migration model. Moving to the second paragraph of the passage, we find more jargon, specifically Salutrians. But again, don't get bogged down with the jargon. Just recognize that this paragraph provides evidence for the Clovis Points migration model. The third paragraph introduces a new migration model, the Siberia-Alaska migration model. Note that the exclamation, "but wait," signals a new idea, and the rest of the paragraph goes into the details of the Siberia-Alaska migration model. Paragraph 4 provides counter-evidence against the Siberia-Alaska migration model. The word "note" signals the beginning of a string of counter-evidence, such as microblades and scatterpath. At this point, we can start to see that both evidence and counter-evidence is presented throughout the passage. Paragraph 5 serves as a short transitional paragraph. Paragraph 6 introduces another idea. Note the term counter-theory. This paragraph introduces what we'll call the watercraft migration model, since the word watercraft is found a few times in this paragraph. Paragraph 7 is another short transitional paragraph. And this last paragraph is critical. Note that this is not a typical conclusion. It leaves the passage very open-ended, and it provokes the reader into thinking more about the various migration models discussed in the passage. Now, to summarize the passage. First, the author introduces the Clovis model, then provides evidence for that model. Then the author introduces the Siberia-Alaska model, and then provides counter-evidence against this model. And then in between transitional paragraphs, the author introduces the watercraft model. And finally, the author closes with an open-ended conclusion. To recap this passage in one sentence, it introduces several migration model theories and provides both evidence and counter-evidence for each theory.